Hello everybody, today we're going to do the Assembly Square in Boutique Hotel review. So here we are. Here are the figures that I included in the Assembly Square, including that baby thing, not that red guy, I customized him. And then here's the figures for the Boutique Hotel. Here's my favorite out of both of them. We have this little art gallery owner. So here we are, we have this ballet studio. We have this little music shop. For this, we have this nice little apartment building. And here we have a little patio for the apartment building too. So here we are, little dentist office, and then we have a little little photographer studio. So here's the little cafe building. Here's a little flower shop. Here's a little flower shop right in there. And here's the little bakery for Assembly Square. Now for the Boutique Hotel, we have this little El Cubo's Fine Art place, and then we have this nice little bar area. So here we are. We have the little art gallery area. This is just the hotel rooms, so they're really quick. So here's the bathroom. That's the way. So here's the hotel room. There's like the economy suite. Here's another room. So and then there's another one. And then here's the little balcony. And then there's the little coffee cart, and then here's the little lobby area. Alright. Please subscribe to my channel.